This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is the second part of our troubleshooting series. Today, we'll continue exploring why your car might be hesitating and bucking, and how to fix these common issues. Let's get started. Common solutions for car hesitation and bucking. Have you been experiencing your car hesitating or bucking while driving? These issues can be a nuisance and potentially dangerous if left unattended. Fortunately, there are common solutions that can help address these problems and get your car back to running smoothly. Let's explore some effective methods to tackle car hesitation and bucking. Replacing fuel filters and pumps. One common culprit behind car hesitation and bucking is a clogged or faulty fuel filter. The fuel filter is responsible for ensuring that clean fuel reaches the engine, and a dirty filter can disrupt this process, leading to performance issues. By regularly replacing the fuel filter and checking the fuel pump for any malfunctions, you can improve fuel delivery to the engine and reduce instances of hesitation and bucking. Repairing ignition system components. A faulty ignition system can also contribute to car hesitation and bucking. Components like spark plugs, ignition coils, and spark plug wires play a crucial role in igniting the fuel-air mixture in the engine cylinders. If any of these components are worn out or malfunctioning, it can result in misfires and erratic engine performance. By inspecting and replacing faulty ignition system components, you can restore proper engine function and eliminate hesitation and bucking. Cleaning or replacing oxygen sensors. Oxygen sensors are vital for monitoring the air-fuel ratio in the exhaust gases and providing feedback to the engine control unit. Over time, these sensors can become contaminated or fail, leading to inaccurate readings and poor engine performance. By cleaning or replacing oxygen sensors as part of routine maintenance, you can ensure optimal fuel efficiency and engine operation, reducing the likelihood of hesitation and bucking. Transmission fluid check and repair. A neglected or low transmission fluid level can also cause hesitation and bucking in your car. The transmission fluid acts as a lubricant and coolant for the moving parts inside the transmission, allowing for smooth gear shifts and overall transmission performance. Regularly checking the transmission fluid level and quality, along with addressing any leaks or fluid degradation promptly, can help maintain the transmission's health and prevent issues like hesitation and bucking on the road. By addressing these common issues proactively and keeping up with regular maintenance, you can minimize the chances of your car hesitating and bucking while driving. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle not only runs better but also ensures a safer and more enjoyable driving experience for you as the driver. Preventative maintenance to avoid hesitation issues. Taking proactive measures to maintain your car can go a long way in preventing hesitation issues. By following a regular maintenance schedule, you can ensure that your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Here are some key preventative maintenance tasks to help you avoid hesitation problems. Regular engine tune UPS. Keeping your engine in top condition is crucial for preventing hesitation. Regular tune-ups, including spark plug replacements, air filter changes, and fuel system cleaning, can help maintain optimal engine performance. A well-tuned engine is less likely to experience misfires or sputtering, which can lead to hesitation issues. Timely fluid changes. Fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, and brake fluid play a vital role in the proper functioning of your vehicle. Over time, these fluids can become contaminated or depleted, affecting various components of your car. By adhering to the manufacturer's recommended schedule for fluid changes, you can prevent buildup, corrosion, and other issues that may cause hesitation during acceleration. Scheduled maintenance checks. Routine maintenance checks, including inspections of belts, hoses, brakes, and other critical components, can help catch potential issues early. By addressing minor problems before they escalate, you can avoid unexpected breakdowns and performance issues, including hesitation. Staying on top of scheduled maintenance ensures that your car remains in optimal condition and operates smoothly on the road. By following these preventative maintenance tips, you can minimize the risk of experiencing hesitation problems with your vehicle. Regular care and attention to your car's maintenance needs can go a long way in ensuring a comfortable and reliable driving experience. When your car starts hesitating and bucking, it can be a frustrating and concerning experience. However, diagnosing and addressing the issue promptly is crucial to ensure your safety on the road and prevent further damage to your vehicle. By paying attention to the warning signs, such as jerking movements or loss of power, you can take the necessary steps to identify the root cause of the problem. Stay proactive and keep your vehicle healthy. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to keeping your car running smoothly and avoiding issues like hesitation and bucking. Please don't ignore any unusual symptoms that your vehicle exhibits, as they could be indicators of underlying problems that need attention. By staying proactive and addressing issues promptly, you can save yourself from costly repairs down the line. Consult a professional mechanic for expert advice. If you're unsure about the cause of your car's hesitation and bucking, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic. They have the expertise and tools to diagnose the issue accurately and recommend the necessary repairs or maintenance. Trusting a qualified mechanic to assess your vehicle can give you peace of mind and ensure that the problem is addressed effectively. Take action and drive safely. To finalize, maintaining your vehicle in good condition and responding promptly to any signs of trouble is key to preventing issues like hesitation and bucking. By staying vigilant, seeking expert advice when needed, and taking proactive steps to care for your car, you can enjoy a safer and smoother driving experience. Remember, your safety on the road is paramount, so don't hesitate to address any concerns regarding your vehicle's performance. Drive safely and ensure your vehicle is in top shape for all your journeys. Thanks for tuning in to part 2 of our troubleshooting series. We hope you found these tips helpful in resolving any issues with your vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.